Place your palms on the knee. Breathe in, lift your chin up and chest upward. Curve your back. Breathe out, bring your chin to the chest and hunch the back. Breathe in, lift your chin up and curve your back. Breathe out, bring your chin to the chest and hunch the back. Inhale, lift your chin up, curve your back, chin to your chest. Hands sideways, breathe in and bend your body sideways. Touch the finger on the floor sideways and watch up towards ceiling or fingers. Slowly breathe in middle. Hands sideways, breathe in and twist your body. Place the palms in between your feet. Look at your palms upward and stay there. Slowly breathe in, come up and lower your hands. Place the palms on the handles and lift your both the legs up and watch your toes. Slowly can bring your legs down and relax. If you cannot do this, place the palms on the handle and lift a single leg up and watch the toe and stay and relax. Lift your another legs up, watch your toes and slowly come back. Place your right ankle over the thigh. Your ankle should come outward and knee should be pressed down. One palm on the knee, one palm on the ankle and bring your chest to your ankle. Breathe in and breathe out. Bring your chin closer to the shin. Chest touches to the shin bone and stay there. Slowly come up, breathe in and relax the legs. Similarly to other side. Your knee pressed down. Again breathe in and bring your chest towards the shin and stay there. So slowly come up, breathe in and relax. Thank you so much for watching.